Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you compress a photo into KBs. So usually sometimes you have to attach photos onto a website or maybe your CV, and it's recommended that you use files that are like less than 2 MB, maybe less than even 1 MB. So what do you do in that case? Right, first of all, I'm just gonna take a photo for you guys, which will be probably in MBs. Right, I open my camera. I'm just gonna take a photo of my microphone. I'm gonna open this, and if I press the information button, we can see it's 1.2 MB, and usually it's gonna be much more when it's uploaded. So I'm just gonna open my browser and we're gonna search for compressed JPEG, and then we're gonna open this website. We're gonna hit upload files. Once we hit upload files, we're going to search for the photo that we want, and then press add. Once we press add, now you see it's uploading it, and it says it's 2.5 MB actually. Once it's done uploading it, it will automatically compress it. It's compressing it, and it says that it compressed it up to minus 63%. If you press this number, you can alter its quality even more. Right now the quality is set to 83%, but you can always toggle it up and down depending upon your needs. Let's just put it to 70 MB, and it's going to recalculate the size. Wait for it, and guys, there it is. It's going to be like roughly around 596 KB, and then you can hit the download button here, press download, and we're gonna wait for it to download. Gonna open up our downloads. We're gonna hit that, and you can see, guys, it said 985 KB. So that is pretty much it from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.